Hey everybody, welcome to another Python tutorial with me, your host, Yujin Tang. So this is part 6 of how to create your own generative AI copywriter slash Jasper AI slash copy AI clone. Last time we went over this main function and how to create an article from the generate article function. And then this one we're just going to go over how to put all of this together to generate an article via the endpoint and put it up online. And I will also, once again, I've mentioned this multiple times, but I will drop the endpoint to that to my version of this below. So the first thing we're going to want to do here is we're going to take this and we're going to create a prompt, basically. So we're gonna call the outlines that we want. So the first thing we want to do is generate an outline. So like we do here in this section below, we're going to basically copy and paste this thing, and we're gonna make a few edits. So let's get rid of this. Get rid of this. So we're gonna return this article here. All right. So we don't need to print anything. This should use tone. We don't want to have any headers that we do here. Wait. Yeah. Okay. So this is basically, instead of tags, we want keywords. And that's basically all we're going to do. We're going to generate the outline, then we're going to get the headers from the outline, and we're going to turn them into a dictionary, generate talking points, and then process it again, and then generate an article from that, and we're going to return an article. So now what we can actually do is we can get rid of this, and we can just say generate and tags, I think. It should probably be tone and then tags. Yeah, tone and then tags. Cool. And that's all we need to do. And then once we have that, what we should do is we should actually do, well, let's make sure it works first of all. So Python API.py. And we're going to sit here for a while. I'm going to pause while we wait. So that's generated. It generates this thing here. So the way to put it online is you basically just do ship deploy. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to switch to, so ship deploy calls Steam ship. Let me see what actually happens by, if I don't have a package. Okay, so I'm not going to recreate this package because I've already created it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what this looks like online. Once you call ship deploy, I think that you can actually see, you can see a walkthrough. I'll put the link to the tutorial, to written tutorials, so you can see the walkthrough for that. And then I'm going to show you what this looks like online through Chrome. So here's what the actual clone repo looks like. And so I'll give it a title such as the reasons or why you should use generative AI. Persuasive tags, generative AI, AI tools, future of technology. And we'll run, and then I'm going to wait while this processes. And that's it. So once it's up, it shows an introduction, power of, and then different paragraphs about generative AI and a conclusion. And that is how you can create your own Jasper AI or Copy AI demo. And, now that I've shown you the code behind it, you can feel free to customize it however you would like and make it create your own code. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more cool Python projects, and I'll see you guys next time.